Yeah, and y'all, I mean, that just shows you right there the power of crypto, and that's why in the last couple of years, especially since you and I have started talking, like I've put so much more, not just capital, but time and knowledge. So for maybe somebody new just getting in, maybe somebody's getting in, and do you think it might be like too late? Do you think that this could be the last bull run? I mean, the halving's right here. Is it too soon? Because we're seeing this whole fumbling of Bitcoin. If everybody knows that what happened with Dave Portnoy. So, but that reminds me of like that people need to be educated on this stuff before they put their money in. But it seems like people are chasing that return. So they're not even worried about the education of Bitcoin or understand anything about it. So do you think there's still time though for somebody new, or should they educate themselves first?
It's such a great question. I think that there is still time for a new person entering crypto, but the time is running out very fast.
Mm-hmm.
I say this because a lot of these altcoins that pump really hard and you get those 100x returns, they're going to die out. Like America is going to ban that. The SEC is going to crush that.
Eventually. Yeah.
Eventually, very soon. Mm-hmm. You also have to understand that the more credible Bitcoin is becoming because of the spot ETF, even Ethereum, it's going to be less volatile. And it's actually going to even itself out. Mm-hmm. And these bull runs may not really exist so much anymore. Bitcoin could turn into the next gold, right? The digital gold. Do we see that type of volatility with gold? No, we don't. We don't see that with gold.
Just an older asset class. So eventually, yeah.
Right. So the more Bitcoin and Ethereum have credibility and have backing from the SEC and institutions like BlackRock, the more stable these assets are going to become. And we're not going to see these returns anymore. I really believe what we've seen over the last 10 years is, what's the word I'm looking for? It's like a once in a lifetime phenomenon. Mm-hmm. And it's like a once in a generation phenomenon. And we are so lucky that we got to experience it. This is not going to last forever. Mm-hmm. It's not going to last forever. And, we've had a slight pullback. And I'd say over the next few weeks before the halving, that is the time to get into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because this could be your very last bull run.
I do kind of feel that same way that, eventually as this asset class matures, that the price will stabilize. But yeah, the volatility is where we make money.